Hello, virtual students. My name is Amy Wagnon. I am the Glencoe Middle School English Language Arts teacher for 8th grade, and I'm also the virtual teacher for 7th and 8th grade. And I just wanted to talk to you some this evening, and because I know that times are a little hard right now and we're all struggling a bit. I feel it myself, so I know you guys do as well. And so I do have some things I can share with you to make at least a couple of things maybe a little bit easier, and I hope to be learning some more things tomorrow, which I will try to send out some more information as I know it. Okay, but the first thing that I want to share with you right now while I'm at home and I don't have to wear a mask is about these bell ringers. Okay, the first page you're seeing right here is a copy of the Bell Ringers Volume 2 All Slides. And this is what some of you have been looking at right now. Okay, you've been looking at them today. And also, some of you have been trying to edit these and do the work on the actual page and answer the questions and share those with me. This is not where you do the work. This is where you get your information day to day for your bell ringers. And this is all you do with that. You just look at it. And then there's a YouTube link right here for that great video about the young boy and then the elderly veteran who formed a very unusual relationship, good friends. Do you think people who are very different from each other can still be friends? And after you watch the video, okay, you can go into your drive. Okay, you have to make sure you're in your drive. And then what I'm going to do is, and I'm going to send you all links, URLs. Okay, and you can either copy it down on a piece of paper, you can copy and paste it, however you want to do it. But then you will take that link, okay, and you'll do like I'm doing right here. And I'm going to clear out my browser up there, get rid of it, and I'm going to copy paste that link, okay? And then it is going to take me to the slide that says handouts. That's like your answer documents, okay? And then this is important. You have to do make a copy. So I'm doing that. It takes just a second, so give it a minute, and it will make a copy for you. Now, what I would like for you to do so that they don't all come back to me looking exactly the same, I want you to rename this, okay? All right, you need to rename it with your name. So I'm just going to put your name, okay? So that's student name. Let's do that. Let's put student name. Please don't put student name. Student name, and then you can put like bell ringer week, whatever week it is. This is week 1, okay? And then it would be week 2, week 3, etc. Okay? Now, then, in order to type right here, see this T right here, and you hover over it and it says text box. Click it, and that gives you a text box. And you are going to type right there, okay? Okay, and you just type away, all right? Now, when you're satisfied with your answer and you want to send me Monday, you go up here to share, okay? And you are going to hit share. And you have got to select me, okay? And you're going to go up here to go Amy _. You probably all have access already to my email address, but just in case you don't, there it is. Amy _Wagnon at ecboe.org. Write it down if you don't have it, okay? Now, you'll do that, and you will click done, okay? And just now, I just got that, okay? It just showed me that I just got it, okay? I got those slides, all right. Now, I think this will simplify things. I will be sending you the URLs, and tomorrow I have another meeting about schools PLP, and anything else that I learn that can help you, I will forward to you. Thank you guys. Thank you for hanging in there and being so awesome. And have a good night.